how they work together with Promil Preschool para ma-nurture at matulungan yung mga bata. With the workshops we provide, like acting, dancing, hosting.
Future dancers,
hosting and singing. Talagang we have mentors. We have different mentors katulad ni Direk Frasco, si John Prats, Cariel,
Luis Manzano.
Luis for hosting.
Yes.
And with our Direk Bobot for our juror.
We'll be introducing them to you later.
Yes. I-introduce ko na ngayon.
Pero abangan din natin yan.
Excited to introduce.
But I am very curious. I mean, you mentioned Dimples earlier about how important it is to nurture the gifts of your children. I'm curious, kung matatandaan mo pa as a kid, paano rin na-nurture ng mga magulang nyo yung talents nyo, Mateo? I mean, I'm sure, you know, getting into showbiz, getting into race car driving, hindi madali rin yun para sa parents mo to really nurture and keep that spirit alive.
Yeah, ako naman po, basically I can really relate with the kids here, especially with Promil Preschool, to nurturing their kids. Because me, at the very early age of 11 years old, I started racing. And my mom and my grandma was very, very scared. Dahil yung racing, di ba, nakakatakot yung racing, maraming aksidente po doon. Di ba, yan. Pero I really love the sport. Talagang binibigay ko po ang lahat dito sa sport na to. So basically, my parents really supported me all the way, diba? They were there every single day after school with me in the racetrack. Talagang lahat ng mga ginagawa ko, nandun talaga sila para suportahan ako. Tapos, I'm very, very thankful that turned out very well, diba? I felt like a very confident person afterwards and everything. So, I think nourishment is very, very important. And especially here from my preschool, I Shine Talent Camp, makikita po natin talaga na, you know, the kids really, really grow. The parents really grow with the kids. Makikita po natin na every single week, nag-improve po sila sa mga talents nila. At talagang cute ng mga bata. Sobrang cute. Mailap talaga po.
Pati mga parents, nag-improve na rin sa talents nila.
Oo.
Habang kumakanta yung mga bata, kumakanta.
Ikikanta rin sila.
Masayaw din.
Ako sa mga parents, I know from my own experience, mahilig ako kumanta, pero walang katono-tono, pero yung magulang ko,
marunong.
Yes. Well, you know, sometimes white lies.
That's what you call support.
In my case, pero yung talaga yung klaseng support, I'm sure makikita rin natin every Saturday. Pero ano nga naman ang magagawa ng support kung walang nutrition yung kids? And I think that's also something very important here with Promil Preschool, because aside from the nourishment, nandun din yung nutrition.
Nutrition is really of paramount importance, especially for children growing up now. We're talking about an age between above 3 to 7 years old, and that's basically when you really have to mold not only the characteristic of the children, but also not just the talents and the skills, but also their health. Kasi yung nutrition is very important. Kahit i-push mo ang bata, na kahit i-encourage mo siya, for example, if they want to be an athlete, if they're not equipped, their body will not be able to do what they feel like doing, then hindi. So really, nutrition and encouragement and nurturing by the parents really go together para maging successful ang full potential ng mga bata talaga.
Maging mga katawan nila siya at saka ni Mateo and Mommy Dimples.
Kung ganito naman talaga.
No, but
it's not too late.
It's not too late.
Minimum to ng Promil Preschool sa set.
Tatama, oo nga. Masarap ka yan.
Alam ko na-feature namin yung abs mo nung ano eh. Kaya
May feature sarili yung abs niya.
No, but you know what's funny? My mom, when I started doing the show here, when we started taping, my mom texted me, sabi niya, Mateo, alam mo, Promil baby ka, simula 5 years old ko. 5 years old ka.
Alright, well guys, nabanggit ni Zian kanina, hindi lang kayo magiging part ng talent camp na to. We also have our mentors who are going to play a very important role. Sige,
yes, we would like to introduce to you, we're very proud of them because every single week, we have different kinds of workshops and different kinds of skills that we will be nurturing for the children. No? So, Promil Preschool Action Talent Camp invited some of the very, very good, very reputable people from different kinds of fields like dancing, singing, acting, and hosting. Kaya ngayon po kasama po natin, una po, ikaw na pala. Si Cariel kasi hindi makakasama ata today, but Cariel actually taught singing for the children at mapapanood niyo po yan. So ngayon,
and of course, Luis Manzano naman, wala po siya dito ngayon. He taught hosting. He was the mentor for hosting.
So dahil gusto mo, ang honor na itong pagpapakilala.
I really want to introduce him. He's my brother. He's the future eyeshiner of the Season 2 Eyeshine, Randy!
So may gusto mo na!
Sabi ko, ako nang introduce sa'yo.
Always. Kaya kapag ikaw nag-i-introduce sa akin, kinakabahan ako sa'yo. Kasi gusto mong gumanti. Hello,
So, this is
good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Sa lahat po
Teacher
nandito.
Pratty.
Yes, ako po ang nag-mentor sa ating mga eyeshiners for dancing.
Pwede ba humingi ng konting sample
Ayun!
guidelines? So, ano
Ayun.
yung mga tinuro mo nga sa mga bagets?
Baka bumukbuk ako eyeshiner talaga naman dito. Talaga crazy
Dapat
ngayon.
sabayan nila ni Sian.
Oo.
Sian, sabayan mo na lang.
Siya yung mga ganun po.
Siyempre, mahirap ay lagi sinasabi nung nag-workshop tayo, di ba? Kailangan nilang ma-feel yung music, di ba? Kailangan ma-imbibe yung music.
Eh, paano yan, bro? Papakita mo
Hindi,
natin
wala.
ang mga feel.
Huwag naman ngayon. Hindi ready.
Sayang naman.
Kulang sa stretching.
So how did it feel like teaching the children, Teacher Pratty?
Yun, kagaya ng sinabi ko, nung nakikita ko yung mga eyeshiners, naalala ko nasa ang TV ako before, at nakita ko yung support ng parents. So it's really important na nakikita natin na yung support ng parents doon sa ginagawa ng mga bata, nandun kasi doon nag-grow yung skills, yung talent ng mga bata. Especially when it comes to dancing. Kasi sumayaw din yung mga mommy kasama sila. So nakita mo na talaga yung bonding nila nandun. Importante na nararamdaman ng bata na, gusto ni mommy yung ginagawa ko.
Is there something specific from sa experience mo nung, I know you started very young in showbiz. Is there something very specific sa experience mo na talagang tinuro mo sa mga bata?
Siguro yung sinabi ko lang sa kanila na when you dance, hindi importante na alam mo lang yung steps, alam mo lang yung counting, but ang pinaka-importante is ini-enjoy mo yung ginagawa mo. Kasi pag ini-enjoy mo yon, parang lalabas yun sa aura mo when you dance, lumalabas yun. At nakita ko naman yun doon sa ginawa namin sa mga kids.
Ako, aabangan talaga natin yung dance session. I'll be taking notes. But aside from that, I think we also have different aspects na
We also
mentorship
have,
din.
yes, for acting.
Acting coach.
Hi, Tita. Good morning po. Kaya po. Hindi, doon. We also have Direk Frasco Mortiz. Direk. At si, of course, the father of Direk Frasco, si Direk Bobo Mortiz.
General na yun, overall, how to be a
Hello
star.
po, Direk. Direk.
Magandang hapon po.
Ayun, no? Ito ang nag-nurture talaga kay Direk Frasco. Tama ba? Halika po.
Umakit na kami, hindi na tayo kasya.
Halika, Direk. Direk, dito tayo. Hasha tayo.
Sobrang ako sa nurture ng bata
Alright, well, we have to ask the directs, no? Directs, kamusta naman ang experience mentoring and nurturing the gifts of these children?
Enjoy. Alam mo kasi yung mga bata makukulit yan, kaya pero sanay na kami. Pero si Frasco nagturo, di ba? Ikaw nagturo sa
Ako po si Direk
retired na ako.
Yun. Ako po yung nag-mentor doon sa acting nila. Nakakatuwa po kasi yung mga bata po talaga ngayon. Kita-kita po natin yung yung eagerness nila. Kasi yung iba na yung kids today parang meron silang nag-yearn sila sa limelight may sila sumaya, may kumanta, may kumate. So, itong mga bata po natutuwa ako kasi parang natural na po sa kanila yung yung masayahin po talaga sila. Saka kita mo na gustong-gusto nila yung ginagawa nila.
Actually, Ate Ginger, just to let everybody know, Teacher Korea, Teacher Pratty, Teacher Frasco, and Teacher Luis are the weekly guest mentors. But si Direk Bobot po is our resident juror. So he's the one who's always constant there. Talagang he's looking after the children at siya ang laging naglo-look out kung sino ba ang mga nagsushine talaga. Diba, Direk?
Kaya tama, magagaling yung mga bata. Magagaling talaga.
Direk, I'm curious, no? I mean, I'm sure there's also improvement dun sa mga bagets. Paano mo nabibigyan ng criticism but in a very constructive way? How do you explain something like that to children and still nurture
Kasi
their gift?
parang dapat naglalaro lang sila no? Hindi pa naman nila alam na trabaho na itong ginagawa nila. So sabi ko dapat ini-enjoy lang nila. Tsaka alam nilang nila kung kailan yung laro at saka kung kailan yung seryoso na. Yun lang yung tinuturo ko.
Alright, so if there's something to really watch out for pag-start ng ating talent search, what would it be, guys? I know that from our mentors and our hosts, if we could just 1 week or wrap it up. Zian, ikaw.
Para sa akin yung improvement talaga from day 1 to the last day for our grand finals, di ba? Makikita talaga yung nung nasabak na sila sa acting, dancing, hosting, and singing, kung anong improvement, kung anong changes na nagagawa nila. Makikita naman talaga yung confidence, pati yung mga support ng... Talagang kinuha ko na. Yung confidence, pati yung support ng mommies, talagang nandun.
Wala ka nang tunod ng
Kaya,
adjectives.
kaya, buti na lang ako nauna. So, sabi ko lang.
Thank you, Gian. Thank you.
Bukod naman po sa pagsasayaw ni Sian sa dance episode namin, ang aabangan ninyo para sa akin kasi ang Promal Preschool I Shine Talent Cup, maliwanag sa aming mga host at maski sa mga mentors and juror po na this is really more of nurturing the development of the children, also nurturing the relationship between the parents and the children. Am I right? Kasi dito talagang ipinapakita natin na yung mga bata, no matter how good they are or no matter how good they do with the workshops, it's always the relationship between the parents and them. Kasi syempre, for example, merong isang moment na kunwari, the child feels, makikita natin yan that they go through that journey na they feel na, oh no, parang I didn't do so well. Alam mo, ang dami naming mga storya na yung mga parents, makikita mo, different ang reaction nila, pero they make their children feel na you are the winner for me. At nakaka-touch. Pagka nakita niyo yung episodes, mafe-feel niyo talaga na, ayun pala yung pinaka-essence ng show. Not just for competition, not for anything else, but really to show how the culture of the Filipino parents to their children.
Ano yung makaka-relate?
Yes, yes.
And also, Dimples, diba, makikita po talaga natin na 3 to 7 years old, na sobrang talented ng mga bata ng Filipino. You know, Filipino kids are very, very talented. And they're only 3 to 7 and they are not shy. They're very expressive. Talagang magaling sila kumanta, sumayaw, at acting, at hosting. At makikita po talaga natin na mag-i-improve talaga sila every single week. Tapos, you know, mommies and pop and daddies would really, really learn a lot from our show. So, yun, very exciting po.
Alright, our mentors, anything to add?
Ay, ako, feeling ko yung isa dun sa mga parang ngayon mo lang makikita. Usually, di ba, pag sa TV, mga child actors natin, nakikita mo lang sila when they act or when they're on stage. Pero ito, makikita mo yung bonding ng mga bata with their parents. So kakaiba kasi dun mo makikita kung paano yung relationship nila, kung gaano po kalaki yung suporta ng mga nanay, ng mga daddy dun sa mga bata. Saka, yun nga, tulad ng sabi ni Zian kanina, nakikita mo nag-improve yung mga bata every week, hindi lang dahil dun sa mga tinuturo ng mga mentors, kundi dahil dun sa mga tinuturo ng mga magulang nila. So nakakatuwa na makita kung gaano ka-supportive, saka makikita mo kung gaano kamahal ng mga magulang yung mga anak nila.
That's very sweet, no? Belated Father's Day nga.
Sinabi niyo na.
Sabi na lang.
Thank you. Basta ako, natutuwa ko dahil sinusuportahan ng mga magulang yung mga anak nila. Hindi nila pinipilit. Hindi kagaya ng namin nung araw, sapitan kami.
Nag-artista. Ayun, nasabi na talaga. Ayun, yung abangan yung pagsayaw ko. Ako talaga abangan. Hindi, yung mga hyper na mga bagets na talaga naman pag nakita mo, actually naturo nga ako, parang kahit naman kayo ng mentors yata, bago kayo mag-start, 30 minutes nakahug lang sila sa inyo. So mahilig talaga silang mag-group hug. At yun yung pinaka-the best sa kanila kasi sobra silang ma-attach sa kanilang mga mentors, sa mga host. Ito nga, pinapakinig pa yung isa, baka umasa yun. Pinapakinig mo, umasa yun. Ayun, yun lang po yung mga dapat nilang abangan.
Hindi kasi sabi ni, cute lang na story, sabi ni Mateo, dipsig naman si Althea. Bakit? Althea! Sabi Althea.
Pero gano'n, consistent kahit sa daang best gawin ni Mateo, talaga yun ang gagawin niya ito.
Cute.
Alright, okay, last na lang, please invite Dimples, please invite our audience.
Gusto po namin magpasalamat sa inyo dahil nandito po kayo today at sinamahan nyo kami. Maraming salamat po. At umaasa po kami sa suporta ninyo na sana po ay imbitahin nyo rin ang ating mga kapamilyang manood po ng Promal Preschool I Shine Talent Camp. That's this coming Saturday, 9:30 in the morning po.